Take a ride in the 2020 Outlander. A versatile crossover with power to spare, Outlander boasts an upgraded level of interior comfort and advanced technological features to give you control over every element of your drive. With super all-wheel control and a 5-star frontal and side impact crash test rating, peace of mind comes standard. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, fog lamps, front wheel drive, privacy glass, 4-wheel disc brakes, integrated turn signal mirrors, brake assist.